Hello and welcome to this multimedia presentation for Biomimicry project. I'm going to present my natural concept, which is barrel cactus, and the inspiration to choose this plant is because it's known to be adaptive to the harsh climatic situations in Abu Dhabi and the UAE. Since biomimicry is divided into three perspectives in terms of form, mechanism, and behavior of the nature, and implementing that in our design, I have chosen three strategies and concepts for my car garage project design, and I have used an analysis to draw some results. Now we will go through the philosophy of the design. We're using the natural concept from the biomimicry, and we are looking for design problems of our project, and from all the concepts and all the problems there will be a common area which we can find solutions when matching the concepts to the design. Therefore, for the three strategies that I have developed, first of all, I created a table and I put the lessons that I have learned from the natural concept, and then I looked for the design problems that match these lessons, and then I propose strategies for the project. First lesson is that cactus, it retains moisture and humidity within. This is because of the mechanism of the cactus. The design problem we have here that the car garage should keep the humidity out and insulate the interior. And the strategy is to try different materials for the walls, including cavity walls, to see the process if can be reversed, the humidity kept outside in the heat. The second concept that I learned was that cactus skin, it works as a natural ventilation system. During the extreme heat it closes, and during the cool breeze at night it opens for letting the air exchange. The design problem is that the car garage also needs a ventilation system which to let out the exhaust gas and the heat, and also to ventilate the interior during colder times and not letting heat exceed. The design strategy to have the automated ventilation system that reduces the gap between the exterior and the interior temperature. The final concept learned is that cactus has spines which work as a shading and a thermal reduction and thermal heat reduction. And for a design problem is that the roof is exposed of the garage and it's exposed to direct sunlight and heat gain. And to use this natural concept, I thought about the green roofing technology. This way we can cover the garage with green plants and to provide shading, and at the same time reduce the thermal heat gain immensely. So, first of all, using the Ecotech analysis before and after. Using the brick plaster, it has the U value of 2.6 while the cavity wall has 1.7. Therefore, higher the U value, better is the insulation. On the other hand, the solar absorption of the brick plasters are less than the cavity walls. If we go to the Ecotech, the way to do this is we can go to the analysis and see the material selection for the walls, and all the different materials can be tested. For example, the brick plaster, its U value, it's higher than the double brick cavity. So therefore, brick plaster is better, even though I was aiming for the cavity wall. While we are on the Ecotech, we can look at our model, which shows here. Our model shows our car garage. The best orientation is from east to west, alignment from south to north by its width. If we can see the solar path, we can see that during hot summer, the solar path is completely direct solar and perpendicular to the car garage. Right now I actually used Riyadh as my reference for the temperature because Abu Dhabi's temperature it's not calculating, even though I have loaded Abu Dhabi's temperature. Therefore, this is for the Ecotech analysis, brief. Going back to the presentation. Now, the second, excuse me, let's see. So for the ventilation, the best way is to operate it at night and shut it down during the hot summer days. And this way we will reduce the temperature and keep it constant during the or reduce the heat gain during the days, while the cool air during the night will maintain. And for the green roofing, by doing a research and looking through all the available market plants, the two best are the stone crop and ice plant. These two are actually from the succulent and the cactus family as well, the same family of the plants, so they will not need a lot of irrigation water and they are durable during heat summer. And for this, the conditions, main factors are the water requirement and soil condition. And these plants are do not need deep rooting, and therefore 5 centimeter depth is enough. And also the amount of soil required is much less, so they can have less thermal conductivity through soil. I thank you for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed.